Today I had a really hard time getting out of bed. I got the kids out the door. I mean, like, I got up at like 6 a.m., helped Olivia do voice lessons, and then went back to bed once I got all the kids out to school. And I tried asking myself like what was the matter, and I like couldn't pinpoint it. And then I went to the grocery store and then I picked up the guitar for Olivia as a rental. And once I saw the date, I was like, oh. So you guys are going to get like royalty-free music. I'm going to be listening to Awaken, Feel Alive by Big Wild Surfaces. So if you want to hear what I'm hearing, you can push pause or mute. You can push mute and listen to the song I'm listening to. And play.
I look down for you in the middle of my pain. I reach down farther, calling out your name. Always I'm searching for a long lost piece of heart. I sought and found you, like a fire in the deepest parts. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. High on the mountain, blinded by the rain, so tired of climbing, heavy with the blame. I heard a voice speaking out my name. Lay it all down, lay it all down, everything. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes. I will hold on to you, storm will tear us apart.